Hey folks, um, so I am Naveen, and this is a short video, and I'll walk you through my project on using machine learning to help improve the job ad performance on a job portal. I kind of picked this topic for my second project, so I'm kind of using this as an extension into the last and final assignment as well. So let's dive in. We have the four sections as required, as laid out by the assignment. So first, let's talk about the task analysis. So job ads don't always perform optimally. Some ads get far fewer clicks or applications than expected compared to others, and this difference in performance sometimes leads to poor employer experience, and also in it brings in lower return on investment. So the task for account managers or sales reps is to manually identify these underperforming job ads, investigate why they're not working fine, so which is currently very manual and time consuming. So hopefully with the use of ML, we can kind of solve this issue. So the task requires you need to, as I just mentioned, reviewing the ad performance manually, comparing them to benchmarks, guessing potential reasons, and suggesting fixes. So how can we fix this? Is by using ML. So if we talk about the user experience design, the user can log into a dashboard, where all the underperforming jobs are highlighted with explanations and suggestions. For example, like, add a salary range, or this title might be too generic or too long, or this is slightly less relevant in today's world. And then this user can accept, ignore, or modify these suggestions. So based on what the user picks, these decisions are kind of fed back into the system to kind of improve future recommendations. And each recommendation could have a short explanation as well, like, as a tip, like, so job ads with salary get 20% more clicks or more visibility. So that kind of helps the user make decisions as well. Yeah, and towards the end, we can communicate uncertainty through giving a confidence level or a risk score. So this would need a model on its own, which kind of calculates the confidence levels. So high risk of underperformance, 87% confidence. So you're kind of quantifying something difficult, so that can really help users assess the model's certainty as well. So this is on the user experience. Privacy considerations. So we are using all the data that we're using are like publicly faced data. So there's no personal user data or PI data. So that should be okay. Is my guess. So in terms of laws in Europe, we must comply with GDPR. So be transparent on how the data is used, and often offer opt out options to the user if necessary. Ethical considerations. So bias risk, fairness, accountability, and transparency are like the four sub points. So in bias risk, if the historical data reflects bias, the model might learn biased patterns. So something to be careful about. We need to ensure that the model is completely fair across all types of job seekers and employers. So humans should stay in the loop to ensure accountability. The final decision is always made by the user and not the model. The model just suggests, but the user should take the final decision. And transparency. So as long as we keep it open with a 360-degree view and incorporate all the feedback, I think we should be okay. So just giving users more information on what type of models that we are using. And Oh yeah, so that's everything then. So hopefully this was useful. So to summarize, the project kind of streamlines. Sorry, this project helps streamline how we identify and fix the underperforming job ads, and keeping users in the loop, and giving them smarter tools. So thanks for watching.